Hi guys, I'm in the kitchen and I've got my beautiful mama in town. She's visiting me from Vancouver, and whenever she's in town, I always make sure that she makes us some yummy Koofteh Tabrizi.
Koofteh Tabrizi is meatball, which is larger than usual meatball, and it's stuffed with different delicious nuts or prunes and onion, fried onion, which is very, very delicious.
Okay, so I've got my big bowl over here. What do we put in first?
We put the meat.
Okay, so I've got the meat here. So you've had the onions finely grated. We've got this rice that's soaked, split peas, and these have been half cooked. Finely chopped green onions or spring onions. Parsley, which I've also finely chopped. This is fresh mint. And this is za'atar. In Farsi, what do you call this?
Marze.
And then some dill. And finally, some coriander. So we'll season with salt, pepper, and turmeric. So now we have to do the fun part. Something very unique about Iranian cuisine is that we like to use herbs a lot.
Sounds lovely.
Okay, so my mom's got a big handful of meatball in her hand, which is rolled into a bowl. And then basically what she's going to do is flatten it and with her thumb indent into the meatball, so she has a space to add the filling. And inside the filling we have some walnuts, some dried plums. In Farsi we call them aloo, and this is fried onions. And all of these go inside the meatball, and then it's just all nicely shaped into a ball again and then set aside. Okay, so my mom's finishing preparing the meatballs, and I've just chopped some onions, which I'll be using to prepare my tomato sauce that the meatballs will cook into. So come on and I'll show you how. So first I'm going to add the finely chopped onions, and I'll just fry them together. And this will be the base of my sauce. Okay, so my onions have browned beautifully, and now I'm going to add some turmeric powder. This is a great anti-inflammatory spice. I'm going to season with a bit of salt. And finally, I've got some tomato paste that I'm just going to add into this. Is that enough, Yegi? And now we'll just add the water and bring it to a boil. So my mom's just finished preparing all the meatballs, and we've prepared over 21 pieces. I'm just going to be cooking 6 today, and I'm going to be freezing the rest. And the nice thing about these meatballs is that they can freeze for up to 3 to 6 months. Just make sure that they're packaged nicely, and I'll show you how I prepare them. My waters come to a boil, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these ones over here. The key is that the liquid needs to come to a proper boil. I'll just lower the heat and then gently add my meatballs into the mixture. Okay, so now I'm just going to lower my heat, cover the pot, and leave the koofteh to simmer for about 40 to 45 minutes. So, what do we do with the leftovers?
Leftover, we just leave it as it is. Just cover it, put it in the freezer.
So I'm just going to quickly cover it with my Ziploc. Okay, so our Koofteh Tabrizi is officially ready. I'm gonna grab it. And are you ready? Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay, so how would you recommend we should eat Koofteh Tabrizi?
We can have Koofteh Tabrizi with green salad, or just get the plate of different herbs like parsley, cilantro, radish, green onion, basil, mint, depends what you like. And some bread, it's fantastic.
Hope you guys have liked this recipe. It's one of my favorite and I hope you like it too. Bye!
Bye.